Hello, I'm Anthony Trickshot Taylor. If you're new here, please do subscribe, please do leave us a like and a comment. I'll be sure to get back to you. Today we are going to build a bow staff. This exact bow staff. Please stay tuned. You're also going to need a broomstick, which you are going to saw down to 90 centimetres. Right, for the second bit, what you are then going to need, you are going to need 2 of these, 4 of these little eye bolts, and you're also going to need 2 screws. These are going to be used to weight the end. These are used in walking sticks, so you can get them from any hardware store. So, now we are going to attach our 2 washers to the wood. We are going to stick our little eye loop on top of that in the centre. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take our screw and we're going to screw it all together. This eyeball is to make sure the washers do not wriggle around, because we're going to be putting a rubber, one of these on, and we do not want the metal to cut the rubber, like so. So once you've done that, I want you to do both sides, and this is the basics of the staff. Now we are going to decorate it. To decorate your bow staff, first of all, what we're going to need is some electric tape. I have got blue, red and black. I am going to basically cover the whole length of this, starting from there to there, in blue tape. Now, I like to use spirals because it gives an added sense of safety to your spinning, because you can see them. So, to start off, we start at an angle and we start making our way down until we have built this spiral pattern. You need to find the balancing point on your staff. Once you have found the balancing point on the centre of your staff, you're going to mark it with some sticky tape like I have done here. I have used blue. Right now, we need some tennis tape, which is there, and some double-sided foam tape. Now what we do, this foam tape, we are going to line the centre of the staff. Now we apply the grip. I am going to use red, and we are going to wrap this over the foam tape. This will stop the grip from slipping. Right, now what we're going to do, okay, is we're going to add our blue tape and we're going to put it right at the end of this, like so. Okay, that will stop the grip tape from coming undone. And we're going to do the same to the other side. Hello, so well done. You have made yourself a bow staff. They come in many different colours. You can get many different tapes to make many different types. So please feel free to make yourself a bow staff, and please remember to subscribe.